loves, how's everyone doing? I am back today with a new tutorial after 4 freaking years. If you want to know where the hell I've been, I've included a link in the description box below and in the pinned comment, but if you've come here from my Instagram, then you probably know what's up. So today's tutorial is gonna be on this super dramatic black smoky eye, and you know what? It's surprisingly easy to create. I'm gonna share all my tips to nail the perfect black smoky eye with you, so let's get started. Start off by blending a cool toned medium brown eyeshadow into your crease. Next, pack a deeper brown eyeshadow onto your mobile eyelids. I've left in longer clips of me blending in this tutorial. Hopefully it'll help you learn some new techniques if you're intimidated by eyeshadow. With a clean blending brush, blend the edges out in the crease. Next, using a flat eyeshadow brush, pack a matte black eyeshadow onto your mobile eyelids, but instead of starting at the top, you want to start at the lash line and move upwards. The trick to not looking like you got punched in the eye when doing a black smoky eye is to build up the intensity very gradually. So be patient. Here you see me slowly moving the shadow upwards towards the crease and blending it out. If you're unhappy with the intensity, you can always build it up like I'm doing here. But if you go in all at once, it can be hard to tone it down. Repeat these 2 steps until you're happy with how dark it's looking. Next, blend a deep brown eyeshadow along your lower lash line. Line your lower waterline with a black pencil eyeliner and blend out the edges. Pick up some of the deep brown and black eyeshadow and blend it along your lower lash line and connect it to the shadow on the lid on the outer corners. This helps to balance out the heaviness on the top lid. Next, go in with a makeup wipe or micellar water and remove any fallout. This is why I recommend you do eyes first, so you can just wipe away any eyeshadow fallout, especially when you're working with blacks or darker shades. Next, I'm applying my foundation and bringing it up slightly into the shadow. Apply a shimmery champagne shadow to the inner corners of your eyes for a little pop and blend out the edges into the black. Apply your eyeliner as usual. Also, line your upper waterline with a black pencil. Because this look is so dark, when you look ahead, you don't want to see skin peeking through under your eyeliner, and this helps with that. See? Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara, and then of course, I had to go in with some falsies. Here you can see me measuring the lashes against my eyes and trimming them to fit. You guys, if you haven't seen my tutorial on how to get your lashes to look perfect every time, you're missing out. I've shared all my tips and tricks. It's my previous video posted 4 years ago. I'll have it linked at the end of this video and in the description box below. You need to check it out if you struggle with falsies. Perfect lashes every time. Finally, highlight your brow bone and you're done, guys. This look pairs so well with a nude glossy lip, a nude matte lip, or a red lip if you want to go all out. And here's what it looks like on brown eyes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm super happy to announce that I'm back and have new tutorials going up every Wednesday, so hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!